Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. Now once you find it, before you tap on it to actually enable it, I do recommend you to hold it the first time around, because this will quickly take you to the settings where you can change, most importantly, things like your password. As you can see, by default, the password that is set by the device is kind of garbage, not easy to remember, and basically randomly generated one. So what you can do is tap on it, remove it, and then set your own. Now your password does need to have 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter, as long as there's 8 of them. From there you can tap on OK to save it. You can also change things like the device name if you wish to. That's completely up to you if you want to, or if you don't, just you have the option. And under more, we have data limit, so you can set up how much data can be used by the hotspot. An AP band, which allows you to select between 2.4 or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. If you're not sure what this does exactly, brief version of explanation. 2.4 is used by every basically smartphone, every smart device. 5 gigahertz will be better, but won't be used by everything. And there we go. That's basically as simple as I can explain it in a couple second explanation. So I'll go with the 5 gigahertz right here. And additionally, if you don't know if your device supports it or not, enable it on 5 gigahertz. And if your device just doesn't support it, you simply won't see your hotspot once you enable it. That's about as simple as it gets. And from there, you can only change it by dropping it back to 2.4, and everything should work. And last, we have mobile hotspot turn off timer. So when the hotspot isn't being used by any device for, in this case, 5 minutes, it will automatically shut off, which I do recommend you to keep it. You can increase the time if you think that 5 minutes is too short, but I do recommend you to keep it just because hotspot does consume more battery, and when you forget to turn it off when you're done using it, the device will do it for you. So it's a really nice feature. Now once you went through all the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can quickly turn it on by tapping either on the toggle right here or by tapping on a toggle right here, which right now is enabled, so when I tap on it, I'll turn it off. And additionally, if you just seen, once I enabled it, it created a QR code. Just a quick explanation of what this is. The reason for this is just a quick way to connect to hotspot. So if you have another device, you can open up your camera as an example. And I do also have a HUAWEI right here, just an older one. But you do have this button right here, which includes a code scanner. So I can just scan it, boop, and it automatically allows me to connect to the network without needing to provide the password. So I'll just click right here, connect, and it will pick the network, which it already found, and also insert the password, and automatically I can start using it without actually needing to provide any kind of information for it or finding it anywhere. So that's the reason for the QR code. So anyway, and that is basically how you would set up and use your hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.